Say goodbye to overpriced lattes. With my 60-second hack, you can make a perfect latte right at home, no special equipment required. Hey there, I'm Kristen from The Mindful Mom, and if you're like me, you need a cup of coffee to function throughout your busy day. Maybe even 2 cups of coffee. And while I would love to hit up fancy coffee chains every day, my wallet and my frugal nature just won't allow that. But it's so easy to make lattes at home. In fact, you can make them faster than you can give your order to the barista. To start, you want to pour in a half a cup of milk into a heat-safe mug. And guess what? At home, there's no upcharge for using non-dairy milk. Personally, I prefer a plain latte. Or maybe I should say my blood sugar prefers a plain latte. However, you can certainly sweeten your latte or add flavorings as desired. If you like a sweetened latte, add in 1 to 2 teaspoons of sugar to your milk or sugar substitute. You like a vanilla latte? Use non-dairy vanilla milk or add in 1/4 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Chocolate your thing, add in 1 to 2 tablespoons of chocolate syrup. And then you want to take your milk and place it into a microwave to heat. Now, it typically takes 30 seconds in standard microwaves to heat your milk. My microwave is a lower wattage, so it's going to take me about 1 minute. Once your milk's heated, take a wire or silicone whisk, place the whisk inside your mug, and then briskly move the whisk back and forth using a rocking motion to froth your milk. And then it's as simple as pouring your coffee over your frothed milk. As for the type of coffee you use, espresso is not necessary. I recommend using your favorite brand of coffee and either programming to have a bold or strong brew or add an additional tablespoon of ground coffee to your filter for every cup you intend to brew. Does this work with Keurigs? Absolutely. Select a small to medium sized brew, like a 4 to 6 ounce. Hit brew and then let your coffee pour right over your frothed milk. If you want to get a little fancy, use a mini sifter and sift over some cocoa powder or cinnamon to give your latte a nice finishing touch. And then grab your liquid fuel and be ready to face your day with just 60 seconds of work at home. Be sure to catch my favorite breakfast recipes that pair wonderfully with this latte. I'll catch you there.